Okay, there we go. Should be all good, hopefully. Also, I'm gonna turn my brightness up a little bit. There we go, that's better. Now, back to here, where I gotta remember... Well, not remember. Gotta figure out what to do here. Which reminds me, there's the weird one. Ugh, I hate myself, I hate it. As I was saying, maybe... No, it is this one. It has the things down here. Which is also in this direction. I'm feeling like this would maybe have to do with the thing, the yellow pipe, but it might not as well. I don't know, I'm up to the point where I'm just gonna go for a walk and see what I can find, because I don't know what else to do, because I know there's the one up there. I guess I should probably try and do the ones that I know, which says the one up there. I'm going to figure out how to do that one. Because I know when I went over to... Okay, what are you on? Oh god. Because I remember when I go up here, it's close to lining up, but it doesn't quite line up. Yeah, because I can get about that much. Oh. We can get that, but then I can't get it the rest of the way. Which is the problem. And I can't exactly get clouds to move. And I can't use the reflection either. This one is very confusing. This one I don't quite understand. Because going to the top doesn't fix it either. I'm not 100% sure what to do with that one. I remember there's also the one over this way, on my way to the town, that I'm also not sure how to do. Because it's up, yeah, it lines up this way. But I gotta figure out how to do it without the dark cloud in the way. Which I'm not seeing a way that I could really do that. Considering these clouds are two different things. I gotta remember how to actually do it. My god. Whoop. Nope. There we go. Yeah, so do that. And again, how do I do it? Because it doesn't quite line up. There's another thingy there, but that also wouldn't quite work. Okay, Grey Cloud. I have a question. How do I stop you from being grey? Or how do I work around you? Questions that I don't know the answer to. I guess while I'm here, might as well see what I can do over this way. Because I know I'm close-ish to doing this one, I think. Maybe, possibly. There's one in that direction. Oh no, right, there's, yeah, 3 in that direction, 4 more in this direction. 1, 2 more. And yeah. Those ones are probably over there. I still need to figure out the ones over here. Oh god. What to do, what to do. How to do. What can do. That's the thing. I don't think I need to do any more things with this because there's no other ways I could really go. At least not that I'm seeing. I've looked at it from up there, looked at it from up there, looked at it from... I think I've looked at it from up here as well. Up here, sorry. I've done most of the directions that I can think about doing. So I've done that one. Done that one over there. Done this one. Let me just double check. Yeah, the only way you can do is go over to there. I don't think there's any other things you can do over this way. No, there isn't. It's annoying that I've left myself with just the hard things now. Great. I guess maybe... Where else is a puzzle? The thing is, I can find some of the puzzles now. Just don't know how to do them. Oh, I guess I should probably start with places that I'm closest to being done with. So, that would be the one over here. And if I can get this one done, that's one less obelisk that I have to worry about. And then after this one, it would be the one at the tree house. That'll be 3 obelisks fully done. Now that I think about it. 1, 2. Where is the last one? Huh. I didn't think about that. Yeah, we still got to do a line, straight line, and a squiggly line. So I guess let's go over here and try and at least get this obelisk done today. What is this? Another thing with flowers. There's a flower everywhere in this game, I swear. Thing is, they all look like the lily flowers, which I don't know if there's a reason for that. Okay. Actually, anything maybe in the reflection from here? No. Wait. No, I was gonna say maybe I could do this and then get it over to there, but I don't think I can. Because I can come up to here and do that. Can't go anywhere else. I don't know why I'm coming down here as if that's gonna change it. meant to be straight lines because we've done this one. What else could there be to do a straight line? Because I'm pretty sure I've done the thing from down here to get that straight line. Question is, what else is there? What other things can I do to get a straight line? And let's try going down here and having a look. Again, I don't think it's in here, but it's always good to double check. No, it's not in here. I don't think it would be around this corner. But I mean, you never know. Nope. Okay. It's not there. It's not... Wait. Okay, it's just a coincidence that it has a circle sort of shape there. It's weird how it like... I don't know. How it changes like that. Maybe... Can I take the boat around that? Maybe? That we've already done. Straight lines. Straight lines. I mean, there's of course that pops up, but then that doesn't go anywhere, and it's also not a straight line, to be fair. Maybe. Possibly. I might quickly check out the boat. I'm gonna get on the boat and see if I can do anything with that. Because if I see a thing, I might as well check it out, right? Because if it works, then it works. If it doesn't work, then at least I tried. Yeah, I feel like the weird squiggly line thing is gonna have to do with all these shiny bits in the sand. Maybe. I could be wrong. But I feel like it's gonna have to do something with that. Like I said, if I can at least get this one done in this stream, I'll be happy. Which, I'm going for about 10-ish minutes. 10-ish minutes, so I have like 2.5, 3 hours to do 3 puzzles. I think I should be able to do it. And then that will also get my puzzle count up to... It'll get me into the 90s. So, I mean, I'll get a little bit closer. But now that I'm thinking, where is the last obelisk? Because there's 6 of them. If I'm here, yeah, we'd want to go like that. Okay, well, let me go into that little thing. Which reminds me, I need to figure out where to use the end of this thingy for. We've done one. There's one here, one in the town. Treehouse. And the one near the waterfall. That's only 5. Where's the last obelisk? Huh. I didn't think about this. I also just remembered where one is. There's one in the cave. Or the before, I guess a little bit before the challenge cave. I need to remember that. So after I do this, alright, after I try and finish these ones, I might go and check that one out. Because I remember that that's there. Also, I have a notification. What is it for? Nothing. Which, when I say nothing, more just not important. Actually, you know what? While I'm at it, I do need to quickly update my phone. So I'm going to quickly do that. Because why not? Because I always have a notification. And I want to get rid of the notification. Okay. Wait, was that a thing? I don't think so. You sure that's not a thing? That's a curved edge. Curved edge game. Thing in the sky. I mean, yes. But not for what I need. I mean, lining up in a straight line. Yeah, not the way I need it to, but it is lining up in a straight line. Wait. I swear. That is a circle. Oh, it's unlining. It's unlining. It's unlining up now. I'm gonna go to speed of 3. Oh my god, it's gonna be a 6-minute download time. Maybe a circle? I don't think that's a circle. I think that's just from the thing. Definitely just a reflection making it look like that. That's not it. There's nothing, definitely nothing in the sky. I swear, is that not like a circle? Then again, I guess it's connected to everything else with not really just secluded. Yeah, what if I just go for a giant boat ride? I'll go all the way to here. You know what? We'll go through this little area. Oops, wrong way. So we're here, so we'll go around. And yeah, we'll go in this little area. And past there into here. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna take a nice old boat ride. Hey streamer, hey Devil Hunter, how are you going? Let's go, getting 100%. Yeah, it's taking a while, but we're getting there. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good. I don't think I've done much today. Well, done much. I mean, actually, the other day, I went for a, well, it wasn't meant to be a long walk. It ended up being a long walk. Because it was about, I think, 27 kilometers. Because it was like 13 and a half there and 13 and a half back. Because I was going to college, but then I found out, it wasn't until like later in the day. So I figured, what could I do for like 7 hours while I wait? So I figured I'll go for a walk. And I didn't realize it was such a long walk. I walked so far for a short walk. I guess I didn't look at the actual board. I was like, okay, going to the city is 15 kilometers or 8 kilometers. Going this other way is the opposite of the city because it said the hills. So I was like, hey, why not? Wait, back up. Back up, game. So I thought, hey, why not go for a walk into the hills? And it was, I mean, it was a walk. Didn't think about how I'd have to walk back is the thing. Me missus, oh no, Mrs. Just went home. I'm gonna start get started on my next project. So what's the next project that you're doing, Devil Hunter? Yeah, so I've learned, don't go for 27-kilometer walks, because believe it or not, your feet and joints will hurt, well, while walking and the next day. So, lesson learned, don't walk so much. Exercise is bad. Yeah, apart from that, I've been pretty good. And now I'm trying to think what I was going to say. I've completely forgotten. It was going to be something important, I think. Then again, it couldn't have been that important if I've already forgotten it, so... Yeah, so I'm a bit more than halfway through the secret puzzles, because, like I said, I thought there was 100 environment puzzles. Turns out there's like 132. So I have been bamboozled by the game. I've already done the things over here, haven't I? I think I have. It's another coding one. You know, I'm actually gonna quickly pause it. There we go. It's another coding one. Just using a new system that I need to learn. So I'm gonna learn it, then figure out my project. Then man, we'll go. Glad you can do that walk. I would do it if it wasn't for my health. Going to shit. That's fair. Yeah, I mean, I definitely thought about getting the bus back, and then I realized my Metro card fell in my pocket, so I couldn't take the bus, which was very annoying. Quite a lot to do. We use a guide to find some that just elude you. I think I will at some point if it takes too long and I don't have anyone to sort of give hints. Because I'll quickly... Because yeah, at the moment I'm at plus 89. I need to get that to plus 132. And then this plus on the side will become... Well, that needs to be a 6. But once you do enough of these puzzles, that turns anyway. Because once you complete an obelisk, which I'll show you one in a minute, it turns into a white thing. Probably use the thing while it don't you? No, it's more that I thought I had my Metro card in my pocket. I mean, in my wallet. Turns out it wasn't in my wallet and it was just in my pocket. So when I pulled out my phone, I think my phone was pushed up against my Metro card, which was pushed up against my wallet, which... So when I pulled out my phone, I think my Metro card must have fallen out with it, or fallen out when I took my phone out. Luckily, I had a spare Metro card, but I didn't find out I had a spare Metro card until I got to school. So I could have taken the bus. But, it is what it is. I think there's a puzzle in the water with the lines. Yeah, I've done the puzzle down here. And I've done the one up on the top of the castle. And I've also done a puzzle with this moss. But you can even see it glowed for a second. Yeah, I've done the castle one. Which it's quite a long one. That's... Yeah, there's 1, 2, and 3 to do with the castle. Yeah, there's so many hidden puzzles that I didn't even think about. Because yeah, the puzzle for that thing starts here and here, and then it goes all the way around. And I've also done the one over there, and the one here. Which, can I do one down here? Yet? I don't know if I can. But yeah, I know where some puzzles are at the moment. It's just trying to figure out how to actually do them, which is the hard part. Now I'm gonna try and see if I can do it from down here, because I know I can do the did the top one. Can you do it from below though? Doesn't look like. It looks like you can only do it from up there. Now along here I haven't done yet. Which, is there any puzzles? No. But one thing I have learnt is I've learned how strawberry milk is finally made. And I will not believe any other way. So there's a good amount to find. Yeah, there's quite a lot, because I mean, if I do the math, which I'm not good at math, 132 plus 523 is 655, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 655. It's my final answer. For anime girls with pink hair, no. I found out hippos have pink milk. So theoretically, that means strawberry milk has to come from hippos. I rest my case. Noted, yeah. I mean, it has to, right? What's I just noticed? I got better TTV, and I can't actually see it on my because I use my iPad to read the chat since I don't have two monitors. I can't actually see it on here, so I got it. I mean, I guess if other people have it, they can. Also, I love this CCTV emote, better TV. Will I have this emote too? Well, yeah. I mean, at least it works now. If people have it. You set it for your channel? Yeah, I set it up. I've now noticed I can't use it or see it, but at least it's set up, because I ended up doing that last night because I couldn't think of anything else better to do. Well, I figured I might as well set it up because I'd been thinking about setting it up for a bit, and I figured I might as well just get it done. So I set up a few things last night. I know there's still a few others, and I've also done this puzzle which loops all the way around here. I looked a few days ago. I can add 25 more BTDV emotes. Green moss in the water. Yeah, I've done that, which loops all the way up to the pipe up there. Unless you mean there's another one. But if you're talking about that, then I have done that one. Okay. Okay. Which also, speaking about better TTV, I've noticed it's also good if you want to set more of your own emotes. I mean, people do need to then have better TTV. I think it's TTV. But, yeah, then you can set up some of your own emotes, which is helpful to be able to do. Now, sadly, I don't think I've gained anything from this. I think I've just gone in a giant loop. Huh. Yes, except if you're like me and don't have any yet. I mean, that's fair. I have the ones for subs, which I basically just got when I got my first payout from Twitch, I basically just got the money from that, went over to Fiverr and had someone use, or I used the money from that to have someone make me emotes. Actually, no, I did that before my first payout, I think. I think I did. I can't remember now. It was a while ago. I just order emotes from Fiverr? Oh, okay. Yeah, because I think I got... I can't remember how much it was, but I think I got 6 emotes made. So I think I set up 5 for tier 1, and then I just had the extras I just put up as free ones. No, that's not a circle. Okay. Wait, what if there's one over here? There could be. There isn't. Never mind. But... well, there's nothing over here, and then the things down here I've already done. Yeah. They should be in today. My buddy's making me some too. Can't wait for his, to be honest. He makes awesome pixel art. That sounds very cool. Pixel art. I just like the style of pixel art. Because I feel like it always just looks good. Looks, I would say clean, but then I guess clean could be the right word. I did want different styles of emotes though. Yeah, I mean that makes sense. It's good to have more than one sort of style. Now I'm gonna quickly set this up. I want black to the blue. We go like that, and that, and that, and I did this wrong. Wait, did I? No, I didn't. Okay, because I can do this. There we go. He was working on one the other day, because I'm a troll, in other channels, he made me a smug one. Let's go. Yeah, I guess you can now have your own smug emote. Which, I think... can you use your own emotes in other chats? I think you can. Because I know subs can, so I'm assuming you'd be able to. I'll have to test it out at some point. I love all forms of art, which is mostly because I'm bad at art. Yeah, I'm okay. Where am I going? I think I missed it. At least I found it. That's the important part. I guess I'll set it up like that. Wrong way. Gotta come along. Do that. That. And then that. There we go. That's the wrong way. Thingy, that's the wrong way. I don't want you to go that way. You're getting rid of my circle. I needed to spin the other way. There's where I need to end up, though. Damn it, I dropped my pen. You can, because you sub to yourself, because you are yourself. True. Nice spot, thank you. It's kind of sad. Well, I don't know if it's sad or what, but the other day when I was walking in the city, you know how you have the stop signs that are circles? The light was on it in the right way, so there was a circle with a little pole coming down from it, and I thought, puzzle. This game has tainted my brain. Looks like there are 2 endings to it. You may be right. I may be able to get 2 puzzles out of this. And we can get 2 puzzles, I will be very happy. Okay, so what I gotta do is maybe... red to purple. No, red to purple. How's that gonna go? How do I set that one up? I might have to do that. No, I have to come there last. I shouldn't have this much trouble with this one. Unless I do... No. Unless I start from up here. I did have to start from up there. Okay, that was the problem. Now, where's my Smirkle? Start the other start? Yeah, that was definitely it. What I had to do. I think start from the other starting point. Spin the other direction. Yeah, I think I need to get a spin in the other direction. I guess I'll quickly see. I think I do need it to spin in the other direction. I definitely need it to spin in the other direction. If I do it there, it spins this way. So if I do it down to there, does it maybe spin the other way? Also, hey Pookie, how are you going? Did I already say that? I can't remember. I swear I have short-term memory loss. Yeah, I definitely need to spin the other way. How do I get it to spin the other way is the question. Doing great, thanks. I'm playing Pokemon Scarlet. Oh, okay. Because yeah, I guess, when did that come out? Because, yes, here it came out yesterday. But I don't know if it came out yesterday in other places, or if it would have been technically today. I can't remember. It came out on the 18th, which was today for us. Okay, so yeah, it came out yesterday for us, so we got it a day early. Yeah, how is it so far, Pookie? Because yeah, I know... Well, the only thing I really know about it is... Because a friend was thinking about getting it, and I know that depending which one you get, I think there's exclusive Pokemon in it, or towards it. It's pretty good. I like it so far. Yeah, it seems good. I only played up till Gen 3. Yeah, I only know... What generation was Pokemon Diamond? I only really played up to that generation and then a little bit of Black and White. So, anything past that, and I have absolutely no idea. That's Gen 4. Yeah, so I've been up to Gen 4 and a little, like I said, a little bit of Black and White. Because my favorite Pokemon... Well, I mean, it's a close choice. I should actually probably also think about doing this. But it's definitely between... What am I trying to match it to? I want to go the other way, so I think I'd do like this. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'd probably say, I think, Railu, which is the de-evolved version of... What's the one I'm thinking about? I can't remember. Yeah, probably Railu or Chikorita is probably up there. Railu's really cute. Yeah, I like him and his evolved form, because they're both pretty cool. Yeah, it's definitely out of him and Chikorita. Can I ride that thing? No, it would just take me to a place where I don't want to be. Okay, now we can... Damn it. I need to spin this way again. So, if I wanted to spin this way, I gotta go purple and blue. So I want to go like this. And it does spin this way. Okay, good. Good, good. Also, I see you've said something. I'll quickly check in a minute. I need to try and figure out where I'm going from here. Because I have absolutely no idea. I probably shouldn't be standing in this spot. I feel like I'm blocking myself. I definitely don't want to be standing in this spot. No, please. Please let me go past. Please. I'm on the air. Oh, I live. No, I don't live. I die. The little shadow that will connect to the outer rail, by the way. Looks like the turn is determined by the direction of the arrow. Yeah, I think it depends what way I do this thing. So I think that was right. I just don't think it was... I think I need to stand like back here. But there's one of the ends that I need to get to. And have it go boom. I'm going to set it back up how I had it. Which is like this. The rail, so you should get 2 puzzles. Yeah, if I can get 2 puzzles out of this, I think that's actually everything in the swamp done. Should be done, hopefully. Yeah, I think I want to stand over here to get out of the way. Maybe. Let me quickly... We want to do purple to blue. So we do that and that. And then come over and do that. Which is purple to blue. Oh no. Okay, so I can still grab it. If I stand over here, I should be out of the way enough. Pick what was the starter you went with? True. Actually, I don't even know the starters for Scarlet and Nexus. I mean, because I don't know the new Pokemon. Yeah, I don't know them either, so I'm in the same boat. Now, what part do I want to go down? Can I go straight? I can. Okay. Wait, is that the end? It's the end. Aha! Yes! Now I need to figure out how to get over to this one. Which I think... No, those two wouldn't connect. How are we connecting to this one? Chose Quaxley the duck. Let me check. I feel like I've seen that one. I feel like I've seen a starter duck Pokemon that is, or a starter water Pokemon that is a duck. Let's investigate. Because from memory, it has a really good... Yeah, I remember people calling this the Donald Trump duck. Because of the hairdo that it has. I have definitely seen this one before. I think that's what... I think it was this one. It was either this one or a different one. But I remember something about one of them. Look, no, it wasn't this. It was the weird ferret thing. Now I'm trying to think what it was called. Let me quickly figure out which one it is. Yungoos. Yungoos is the one that people were saying was the Donald Trump Pokemon. That's what it was. Never mind. Looks like Donald Duck with a groovy haircut. It does, to be fair. I'm actually going to quickly check. I want to see all the starters now. I think I would have gone with either the duck or the fire one. Because the fire one looks like a little dinosaur and it's adorable. Now, question. The evolutions. Oh, it actually turns into a giant dinosaur. Well, there you go. Anyway, back to the game. And also back to updating my phone. Update. Install update. There you go, phone. Hopefully I can finally get rid of the thing. I like the grass Pokemon because it's like a cat. I see. I haven't seen the evolutions. Yeah, I only just looked at the evolution for the fire one because it was the first thing that popped up. Or the first one of them that popped up to show an evolution. Now, spin it the other way. So, I still need to quickly set it up. To have it be from, it would be black to red. Be able to do that thing. Oops. Black and red. There we go. So I want to go and have a spin this way afterwards. God, I forgot how slow it is when I have to wait for these things. So much. Yeah, I feel like that's one of the fun things with Pokemon, is seeing the evolutions. Because it's always fun, because if I don't know the evolutions, it's like I'm just playing and then suddenly there's an evolution. And it just feels, I don't know, it just feels good to be able to have the get to the evolution. Now, I need to block. Okay, I need to do it the other way because we want to go. No, we want to come from the other direction. Wait, if you go to the tallest mountain, can you turn your shadow into a puzzle? I could try going up there and seeing if it turns my shadow into a puzzle. Because that, I have not tried yet. But I can also show you a few puzzles that I am stumped on. And see if you can figure them out. I need to really figure out how I'm going to spin around this way. Does it have to do it like this? Doesn't work. Huh. I want to spin it around that way. How am I going to do that? I mean, I can do that, but does that spin it around the right way? I don't think so. I might have to do it like this. No, that's the same thing. No, it's not the same thing. Never mind. All good. No, that has me spin around that right, whichever one has a solid edge. Then you want to start around here and go like that. There. That should work. And have us spin around the other way. Aha! Now, where do I want to stand? I'm going to assume just somewhere back here. So I can't get it. Then again, it can get avoided or disrupted. Disrupted by that thing if it gets in the way. So I'm going to stand maybe like here and hope that that works. Now, the question is, where do I want to go? How do I want to go? Oh! No! Oh! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Okay. No, dude. Don't quite want to go that way. So we want to go here. And standing in the wrong spot. Yeah, I didn't want to get. I didn't want my shadow to get in the way. But I guess next time, don't stand with this thing in the way. I guess I can probably stand like, no, maybe here. Maybe that would work. I don't know. I'm just gonna stand like here. Then hopefully my shadow won't get in the way. I set up blue and purple. That's not gonna go far enough. No, it's going too far. I guess I can learn from you. It's fine. Yeah, it's not gonna go. I don't think it's gonna go far enough. Actually, no, it might. No, it will. It's right. The end is here. There we go. Okay, we're all good. We gotta stand next to the panel. Yeah, we got it. I wish I could talk. We got it in the end. Yeah, I'll show you the 2 puzzles that I am stuck on at the moment. So this, we just gotta go like that, and then we come down here. Oops. And we go. Oops. Damn it. Okay, now we come here, go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we go. And now we wait. Good job. Thank you, thank you. Just, well, I mean, actually, my puzzles, well, my plus puzzles should now be into the 90s, so we're getting there. Wait, also, Pookie, I'm wondering if they also still do it, because I think in Pokemon Arceus, well, then again, I haven't seen any gameplay of Pokemon Arceus, but do you still have a rival? Or have they stopped doing that? Because I know that, I feel like you've had a rival in almost every single game, or at least every single game that I know, you have a rival. So surely you still have one. Which reminds me, you do have rivals. Okay. Just had to double check and make sure they still did that. Looked at the evolutions, and the evolutions look yikes. In a good way or a bad way? Which, oh yeah. Right, I think bad. Oh no. That's not good. Yeah, I don't know if it's ever happened in another one of the Pokemons, but I think Ash has finally made it to the, I think Elite Four or a final battle or something like that. I don't know. I've just seen a few shorts of a battle with Pikachu and Charizard, and people saying he finally made it. The Fire Wand kind of looks cool, but like, eh. Yeah, I mean, I feel like once you get to a certain point, it would definitely get hard to think of new, I guess just new Pokemon and evolutions and stuff like that. Ash won the Pokemon League in like Gen 7, I think. Yeah. Took a while, but they got there. But this is the puzzle that I'm not sure about, because I got to get down to there. And a problem is it's blocked off, and I also can't... Oops. Go any further than... I also can't go any further than this. Okay, that was thunder. That wasn't wind. It's definitely thunder. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get this to connect to down here. Which there isn't much movement I can do from this spot. And that's one of the things I've already done. I agree, designs are hard, but there are a lot of cool designs out there that aren't Pokemon. You get high. I can get higher. That just takes me up to the top, I think. Let me see if there is anyway. I mean, to be fair, I have seen some cool fan art that would definitely be good Pokemon. It's just, I don't know. I feel like someone might be happy to have one of their Pokemon in the game, but I feel like they definitely have to reach out to the person, and you'd probably want to also have credit. I don't know, but they could definitely start looking at fan things and start thinking about maybe doing something with that. Found a bunch of art of new Pokemon evolutions. Yeah, I've seen a few artworks of the evolutions, and I guess just fan art in general of just people's original Pokemon. But yeah, if I get up higher and then go to the edge here, which there's also one there, which is the first one you do. I don't think it actually... No, it doesn't quite work from there. Yeah, you have to be lower. Or just more over. Looked way cooler than the actual evolutions. Yeah. I feel like... Yeah, they could definitely start getting help. Because I think they actually did get help one time. Well, actually, I don't know if they did. But I know when Black and White came out, there was a competition for, like, coloring in the Pokemon. And I can't remember what the winner got, but there was a prize if yours won. Because they had the design of the Pokemon, but you had to obviously do the coloring. And I think they actually maybe got people to do the coloring. I'm not sure. What's inside the mountain back there? Oh, you mean like once you go inside the mountain? Yeah, that's like the near the end of the game. But we can go and check through it because there might actually be some puzzles in there I need to do. Is there a window? There are areas where you can look out. So quickly go down here. I've got to quickly go to the areas where we can look out. Which actually reminds me, I think there are some puzzles we do need to do here. Man, let me quickly go through here. And here. This area? Yeah, this is the area that it takes you to. Which that's actually a puzzle that I do know how to get to. Not quite sure how to do it yet, which I'll show you again in a minute. Don't think that's a puzzle. Yeah, so... Ooh, maybe? No? Oh, different designs for the windmill. And then we can go down to... into here, which I think this is another area where I need to do stuff, which you'll have to check the thing to figure out how to do it. Elevator? Elevator? Okay, I'm just gonna run back up because I feel like it'll be faster than catching the elevator. Yeah, going through that thing just takes us down to here. Which... again, reminds me of a puzzle that I know of. Don't know how to do it, but I know of. So let's quickly head back up. Okay, there wasn't any little recording there. I guess while I'm at it, I'll show you the other two puzzles that I know of. So run up here real quick. And we go down. I saw a door in the side of the mountain where you're walking up. Past and you went back down the mountain. Oh yeah, that I had to do a puzzle to get into, which let me watch a video because there's like a theater place, and you get these, and then you have to do the puzzles in a place, and it starts playing a video. Which at one point it was honestly just like an hour-long video of a circle going across the screen and a dude talking about the now I'm trying to remember the name of him. God, how have I forgotten? For some reason I keep thinking Sherlock Holmes, but no, that's the detective. To be or not to be, dude. Now I can't remember. I've had a mind blank. I think the grass is a puzzle up near the door too. Let's investigate. Let's investigate this. Grass. Where's the door? The door's here. So the grass somewhere here. Just past the door. So down here. Or I guess I'll go up a little bit more. Could also be up this way. We'd have to look at it from the top. Oh yeah, I'll head back up. Can I see it from up here? Sort of. Okay, let's see. Is there something here that I can do? Question is there also an end point? Because the end is normally rounded. Look at it from here. Not there. I don't know if I see it. Is that a thing? Maybe? I don't think it would be. But maybe. Possibly. Okay, I need to move over more. Can I still see it from down here? There's a circle in a pond towards the boat. Over that way. Oh yeah, I did. You mean that one? This one I have actually already done. If that's the one that you mean. Because yeah, I've done this one. Because I don't remember where it connects to, but you have to look at it from like around here. And then yeah, like that. Never mind then. Yeah, I mean, there's a few that I've done. I'm up to the point where it's just, I don't know. It's definitely harder ones. Because I've done most of the ones that I've been able to notice basically by myself. Yeah, the other one that I was mentioning one time was, there's one in the place down here. Also, the cloud one could be a reflection one. True. I did try. I did that. We're gonna talk. I did try looking at reflections for that one, but I didn't see anything. Yeah, one of the ones that I know is one is. Oh, I think I actually already did it. Yeah, I already did it. Oh, I completely forgot. But yeah, that was one. I forgot I already figured out I could walk around here and do it. So, the one that I was talking about, or another one that I don't know how to do is If I head towards the town from here. And line these up. Yeah, if I line these up like that. No, not quite. Lining these up is annoying sometimes. But get the basic line. I don't know why I find this so hard to line up, but so let me back more. There we go, yeah. This I'm not sure how to do because the black cloud kind of just blocks it. And I don't know any other ways of doing it. Turn around? You mean trying to see it from that way? Is that what you mean? I guess. I could try doing that. Also, wait. No, right, yeah, because I know with that one also, I tried doing it, I think, from down here near the obelisk. Yeah, I did. Definitely gets closer. Or close-ish. And you also gotta move over more, which is why I went up there. Gotta be over and closer. That one. Yeah, those are most of the puzzles that I know of that I can't quite do. There's probably an object that will be white. Let you pass cloud somewhere. Probably. I mean, there is this white stuff here, but then if I move over, it doesn't quite line up properly. So yeah, I don't know. I'll figure that one out. Which actually, you just gave me an idea. Yeah, maybe, possibly. Actually, no. I was gonna say maybe you could use the boat for this one, but I think you have to be up high enough for this to work. But we can always try. In either near where the boat is, or past in the other direction. So you think over that way, which I do have more puzzles to do over in that direction. To be fair, but there was actually one area I wanted to focus on today, because there's only 3 puzzles that I got to do in this one area, and I was thinking surely if I just spend like all of my time in this stream on this one puzzle area, surely I'll find the puzzle. And then I ended up going on the boat and going around because I thought maybe I'll see something. Right, this is where the other puzzle thing is. Completely forgot about that, about that one. Yeah, that's just a little bit of wooden thing. Yeah, the last ones I need to focus on, or I was trying to focus on, is over here. Because I only have 3 left on this obelisk. Which is the red squiggly one. And 2 lines. Which is all in about this direction. All of it is somewhere here in the desert. And all the straight lines is around, usually around here. Because I've gotten one here done. I got one to do with this shiny thing here done. Where it goes from here along to there. And also God, now I can't remember how to do this one. Yeah, this. Also got this one done. Now I need to just figure out how to get a straight line. It's harder than it sounds. Yeah, this is the main area that I wanted to try and focus on before I got distracted. Which, I don't think I can really do anything here. And this one I've already done. Because I had to use the boat for this one. I've also tried looking at this, but I'm not... It doesn't quite work. I've tried looking at it from every direction and on the boat. Looks like there is one on the little shadow on the overhang. You mean there? Or... where you were standing. You mean... I'm trying to think which one. Shadow. Like under your feet. Now I'll try to see it. Because I know this one I've already done. The only area I can think of is that little bit here. Oh, I think I see what you mean. But I think that's part of this. Like literally under your feet, the face of the wall towards the sea. I can go down there and check. Let me head down. What did you mean part of this? No. Let me try looking at it from down here. I feel like I'm blind. Because for some reason I keep looking at this part because it's rounded. Not that. What am I not seeing? A blind. I mean for you to turn around now and look at the wall. Oh, you mean to look at this? I mean, I've done that one up there where it goes in a straight line. Let's have a look. Don't think I see anything. Looks like it has a circle on the left there. Over here, like there. It does look a bit like that. I also had that with this one. Because if I walk back enough, that sort of looks like a circle almost. And if I walk back a little bit more, and just... It does a weird transformation. Where it almost looks like a circle there. But... doesn't quite work. Yeah. The shadow looks like a circle. Go forward a bit. God, it's hard. It's hard with this being behind. The shadow on the island. So you do mean on that thing. And I can do the thing where I go back and it does the weird transformation thing. Oh, do you mean that? Does almost sort of work. And there's also a thing that I think is a coincidence, but I can't be 100% sure. Is that if I look at this from back here, it has a circle that goes into a thing. Which, I mean, when I try to make a circle, doesn't quite work. And there's no way for it to actually go anywhere. So I think it may be just a coincidence. Have I got my water? Yes, I have. Ow. Look right, don't move. Okay. Right. Tell you how that looks now. If we look right, we get this. I guess I could do that. There, do you see something? I feel like that's got to be something. Because, I mean, it has the rounded edge. I was going to say maybe the boat. If the boat has sails, I can make it go and use the boat to move the line. You see it? Where? Where? What am I not seeing? On top of the rocks, where you're standing, it goes in the water. On top of the rocks where I'm standing, it goes in the water. So does that mean I need to go up there? Okay, go on top of the rocks. Let's go! Actually, if you get the one that goes to the left, you might also be able to get the one that goes to the right. Maybe. Hopefully. Which, I also had a thought the other night. I don't know if I'm going to try and do everything or if I would do it on a stream. But I definitely want to try 100%ing Portal. Because I found out it's not too... It doesn't seem too hard, but then again, it's not easy either. Do it. Portal is amazing. Yeah, because I've played through Portal... Well, I've played through Portal 1 and 2 before. It's been a few years since I've played through it. And Portal 2, I still need to also do Portal 2 multiplayer sometime. But if I quickly check... I'm going to quickly just check when I first played Portal. 2.64... My phone has another update. How many updates can my phone have? God damn it. Anyway, let me quickly check, as I was going to do. I do see a giant circle thing. Now, content. If I type in Portal, I don't think I've deleted the videos. Let me quickly check. I haven't, haha. So, I played Portal 3 years ago. Yeah, about 3 years ago. Probably coming close-ish to 4. Let me check. It was uploaded the 12th of February 2019. So coming up to 4 years of not playing Portal. I want to do Portal 2 co-op with someone. Yeah. I mean, I did have a friend that I was gonna do it with, But then we never ended up doing it. And I played Portal about 7 years ago, something like that. Okay, so did you 100% it when you played it 7 years ago? Because I think when I first played it, I just played it normally. Anyway, puzzle from up here. Make the circle again with the 2 rocks again. Okie dokie. So we go down to here. You mean this way? Yeah, I have tried getting, if you mean going to that thing, I have tried doing that. Too high? What do you mean a different rock? Let's go above where you were standing on the beach. Okay. Where I was standing on the beach was about... I think it was about here-ish? Somewhere? It's more left. Okay. More left. See a circle-ish thing sort of here. Past the stairs. Okay. That would be like over here. Anyway. Guess you could always line that up a bit more. Okay. Is that good? Or a bit more? I do see a little thing down here. I don't think I can actually do it though, because I think the waves mess it up. See the gap between the 2 rocks if you step slightly right. The gap between the 2 rocks. Oh, do you mean the ones down there? Is that the one that you mean? We'll be right back. I need to go and blow my nose. I'll be right back. I was having a blue circle in between the rocks, but it looked better from the beach. Yeah, I think it's because of the curve for that one is there, and the curve for the one on this one is there. Yeah, I'll be right back. I guess I'll leave it on this screen just to think. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I know someone did say that like the last, I think, 10% would definitely be the hardest. Is there a taller structure nearby you can stand on? The white part of the big rock on the left looks like a circle. Apart from this, I can stand all the way back there, but I don't know if that could work, but I can try. Back here is the only other tall structure that I really have around. Oh, it was a circle, but for the other puzzle. Yeah, those, because that one and that one match up. Actually, from here, it almost looks like a circle. I think going back here will be too far back. So go up here and go up more. Yeah. Did you do the one on the floor there? Oh, yeah. The... You mean the one up here? Oh, you mean back on this thing? I have not done one where I have to be up here yet. If this is what you mean. Look towards the beach. Do you mean over here or over there? Straight. There's the sand. Hey, Otter, how are you going? Oh, do you mean... No, not there. The path. I have not done one with the path, no. You clicked it. This one. Not getting anything from it. There's also that one. Is there a certain way I have to look at it? Might need a different angle, true. Yeah, how are you going, Otter? I mean, the only other ways I can go is if I stand and... I can go higher, but I don't know if I'll be able to see it from all the way back up onto here. But you can always give it a try. So we do that, and then come up here. No, that just gets covered. Huh. And stand onto here. That also doesn't quite work. Huh. Maybe from the other staircase at the beach. Yeah, we can try that one. God, now I don't remember how to get down. I guess I can try from over here and up here. Oh, from here you can't see it. God, why am I yawning? So maybe from up here. That's also not gonna work from here. It does look like a straight line one. It does a little bit, but I think if this were to be one, it would be the weird squiggly one. Because I think ones in this general direction have been... quickly show you. Once I get over there. Yeah, pretty sure that's the bear. Let me double investigate. That is indeed the bear. Yeah, most of the ones for over there have been these ones. And then most of the ones over where we were are these ones. But all I need to do is these three. And then this whole area is done. And I won't have to worry about it anymore. And then I can mainly focus on just the other 4 monoliths and stuff. So not monoliths, obelisks. Which I don't know, will this one work as a squiggly line? You'd be able to go here and then no, it would end. I think the path is one then. Yeah, I think there is definitely something to do with the path or reflections, because most of this stuff has been reflections, like this and stuff. I feel like the paths and reflections would probably have something to do with it. I'm just not sure how. That is the problem that I've come to. Oh. I don't know why I'm yawning. I haven't even been up for that long. Maybe. Possibly. A thingy? I don't think so. Look at it. Top of the structure to your left. Near the beach. You mean this one? I can give this one a look. Which also, this one I've also done. If we look at it from up here, I don't think I can't quite see the circle from here. That wouldn't work. There's a
I maintain that the cosmic religious feeling is the strongest and noblest motive for scientific research. Only those who realize the immense efforts and, above all, the devotion without which pioneer work in theoretical science cannot be achieved are able to grasp the strength of the emotion out of which alone such work, remote as it is from the immediate realities of life, can issue. What a deep conviction of the rationality of the universe, and what a yearning to understand, were it but a feeble reflection of the mind revealed in this world.
This one is a bit quiet.
Must have had to enable them to spend years of solitary labor in disentangling the principles of celestial mechanics. Those whose acquaintance with scientific research is derived chiefly from its practical results easily develop a completely false notion of the mentality of the men who, surrounded by a skeptical world, have shown the way to kindred spirits scattered wide through the world and through the centuries. Only one who has devoted his life to similar ends can have a vivid realization of what has inspired these men and given them the strength to remain true to their purpose in spite of countless failures. It is cosmic religious feeling that gives a man such strength. A contemporary has said, not unjustly, that in this materialistic age of ours, the serious scientific workers are the only profoundly religious people. Albert Einstein, 1930.
Oh, so that was a quote from Albert Einstein. Well, there you go. But no, I have not done this one that's straight up yet. Which I guess you'd have to walk back this way for, wouldn't you? Maybe? Alright, yeah, it's hard to get that one to link up with these, which is one of the problems. Boat. I have tried doing it from the boat, but I don't think it quite linked up. But we can give it another try. The quickest way to get to the boat would be over this way. So let's go on an adventure. And then we get to summon the boat. Which reminds me, I can also show you the part of the boat, because the boat has at least one puzzle connected to it. But you have to be outside of the boat to be able to do the puzzle. Which you can send the boat without being in the boat. I just don't know where you do the boat puzzle. I like how the game tells you how many puzzles are in the area. Yeah, it is good that it does tell you in each area, and It also tells you the direction that it's in as well, which is why it has like the 5, I guess why it's that shape. Why it's a pentagon. Yeah, pentagon's 5. Penta is 5. So I think it is a pentagon. Yeah, that's why they're all sort of in the same areas, because it's in the way that the boat is. I mean, not the boat, the side that the pentagon is facing. God, words be hard. Yeah, I found this on the front of the boat. I need to figure out where it leads to at some point. Look at the clouds again. Not quite lined up. I think these are the clouds that we noticed back in that direction, but I'm not 100% sure. Yes, if we click this one, there we go. Yeah, I just set it at a speed of 4 to get over there. Oh, to get over there. But off we go. No. There's no more to do around this area. For some reason I thought I saw one, but no, there's no others. Apart from the 3 over here. That's where the circle one actually is at the moment. Yeah, Cloud, can I ask why you were there? Can I ask you to please turn white so then I can finish the puzzle? Could you interrupt the pattern? Have you tried sending the boat around the whole area and follow to see if you can see it line up? I haven't done that yet. I haven't tried following the boat. There was one where I had to use the boat to connect things. Can I see anything there? No, I can't. But we're almost to the area where the things were going to line up. Anything. And there is definitely a line there. Don't think that's good enough of a circle. Look like a zigzag. Oh, the words. Did you mean for one of the clouds? I don't think any of the clouds in the ground would be in a reflection. Heh. Now, where's the circle one that we were looking at? I think that's this one. Which doesn't line up with them, I don't think. Yeah, this is just goes in a straight line. Yeah, I don't think they line up. But you never know. Yeah, I've kind of just left myself with the hard ones now in this game. I'm down to the point where it's... yeah, not the easy puzzles left. But I do actually have one idea that I want to try. But to be able to do that, I need to, 1, take a photo, and 2, I think it's the ones in the, what's it called? The thingy-majiggy. Awesome. Could these line up? Possibly. Maybe. I'd have to look at it from out there, though. Because otherwise it just goes past. Then again, where would it end? Alright, well, if I get... I mean, hey, on the bright side, at least I've done 2 puzzles in this stream. So, I can at least see that as a win. Wait. Oh, right, yeah, down here is just that thing. Wait, I haven't gone to the other side and gone down, though. Maybe there's something here. Believe it or not, there's nothing down here. The boat lines up with itself. I don't think you can, or it does. Yeah, it doesn't go to the left or the right. And it's only on the bottom of the boat that you can do it. That's the only way you can actually see it. Like using the reflection and going up the boat. Up out of the water. Starting in the water and going out. But how would you get out is the question. Because it needs to lead off of the end here. But what does it... How do I lead it off of this? Is the thing. I need to figure out what it connects to. Usually, I used to think it was these because they have the same kind of tone. But I'm not 100% sure. Is there any way you can look at the boat dead straight on? I don't think so. Let me think. No, there's not really many areas where you can look at it straight on. You can usually it's always from the side that you have to see it. I don't think there's too many that are straight on with the boat. Because it normally comes up and then you get on it when the thing comes out. Oh yeah, there's also another one here that I need to do. Which I also haven't figured out. I need to come up to here. Because yeah, if you look at it from the right direction. Yeah, that thingy lines up. But then you can't go any further. Because there's not like the wooden boards aren't. Or beams aren't set up properly. Although, when I say to you the other day, look at your clip, I used a 3D model before. Is there a minecart? I tried looking for a minecart. I think there was one, but I don't know if it works. Let me double check. But yeah, with that, because I used to have a VTuber model, and then I got a face cam, so I stopped using it because I use my face cam now. But yeah, I used to have a 3D model that I used to use. Which that I made. Well, I didn't make it all by myself. I mainly just did the hair for it and the clothing and stuff like that. I'm looking into getting a 3D model. Yeah, if you wanted to, I can let you know the software that I used because I think. God, now I need to remember. I think to make it, I think I used Vroid Studio, or was that to run the model? I can't remember. I'll let you know after stream, if you want me to let you know what I used. Because yeah, I mainly just had to do the hair, which you have to draw yourself, as in you click and then you drag and it makes a piece of hair. It's quite weird. Do you mean now as a reminder? Okay, all good. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard for me to find because I think I still have the software on my computer that I used for it. Also, I see this puzzle, so you see how to do it? I'm not sure how you do this middle part. Stand on the tracks and line up the stats. But then, only thing is if you stand on the tracks, you can't quite see the circle properly. Unless you mean up there somehow? Okay, we'll try going up there and see if I can do anything with that. Because yeah, there's the minecart. But it's the wrong color and doesn't quite work. Yeah, I can stand on it from up here. Does that work? Oh, wait. Wait. I need to check something real quick. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. You can do it from angle and use the corner thing to help. Yeah, I think what I gotta do is this. I think as we get lower, it should do as you said. Make it so there's less gaps. It is, I think. It is working, okay. And there we go. Okay. Now, none up there yet. I completely forgot, but there was a thing up. Can you tell me that's a coincidence? Can you tell me that's a coincidence? Maybe it is. I don't know. But yeah, we got another one done. But yeah, thank you for the help, Devil Hunter. Because yeah, this one I completely forgot about, but gives us a few things to do in here. Actually, is that one? I'd have to look at it more from that angle. I think it was coincidence. Yeah, maybe. I don't think it was. Okay, I'm gonna try looking at it from up there real quick. The handrail. Oh, does it line up with the handrail, or is there something on the handrail? What about the handrail? Alright, these are just locks. No, the store. Oh, do you mean for this thingy? Is that what you mean? Or that one up there? Okay. So this one, is this the one that you mean? The top was lined with a circle. Was there? Okay, yeah, this one. This side maybe? No. I don't know if I see one. Oh god. Stand on the bridges and look towards minecart building. Looked like it anyway. Okay. I'll look at it from every direction I can see. I don't know if there is one. Maybe there a little bit. I don't know if there is one. But I guess I'll find out at some point if there was one on here. But I want to quickly try and figure this one out real quick. And look at it from now. I want to quickly go up there and see if there's anything to do with it. Oh yeah, there was also one here where you have to mess with the height of everything. Let's go over this way. If there is gonna be found later on, it's a proper one. Yeah, I mean, if it's there, it'll be found at some point because I'm doing the 100%, so I'm gonna have to find it at some point. So, did you do the height one? Yeah, I did the one with the height that had to be messed with down there. Okay, doesn't quite work from up here, so it does definitely have to be seen from down there. Wait. Never mind. Does have to be seen from down there if it is one. That doesn't quite work from up here. Maybe do it from the roof. See it from the roof. Oh, yes. Is that one? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to get off of this part again. Bet there's one more down. Now, is there one to do with all these things connecting? Shadow looks sus. You think there's something to do with the shadow there as well? I guess I can head back up. I don't know if there is anything with them, but yeah, let's quickly head back up. Weak? Shadow. Oh, this one, yeah. I guess, where is another shadow that links up with it is the thing. Think the shadow might be done from the ground? Okay. We do need to head back to the ground to try and figure this one out. Never mind. This one's done from up here as well. Okay. 2 for 1? Wait. 2 for 1. Does that mean there's another one around here? Okay, well that's all the ones I see up. I can see for now. Let's go back down to the ground and investigate. No, you went up on the roof to try and get the big guy. Oh, yeah, and then saw another one. Circle. Found the little guy, and quickly forgot about the big guy. True. True. But this one. Nothing in here? Don't think so. What even is this? It looks like a furnace, but I don't think it's a furnace. Shadow in the corner? Or which corner? Corner. There's that one. Where you were standing? God. Trying to figure out where I was standing when you said that. Okay, it is this one. I guess now I need to try and get that angle right. I guess the thing is, where does it lead from here though? Is the thing, if I do get it. Because it doesn't really lead anywhere. I think it's actually coming off of that one. Yeah, I feel like this is definitely one of them. I don't know why I'm trying to look at it from up here. Maybe from up there it would look different. The shadow again dead on. This one. Well, there's this one. No, the end. Okay. It comes from a tree. Line it up with the sun. I can try. Actually, I don't know if it will reach. Yeah, I don't think the wall will reach. Be lined up with the sun. I'm not quite sure how I could line it up. Then this is no crouching game. Yeah, that does make it a bit harder, but then again, I feel like I'm glad I don't have to crouch, because if I can crouch, I feel like that would make some of these puzzles so much harder. It's at least one less thing I have to think about. And maybe you can look at it from an angle here. No, what about from up here? Or up here? Yeah, I don't think it works. This is what happens when you leave hard puzzles for last. Maybe look at it dead on from the upper rail. Yeah, I can try looking at dead on. So if I were to do that, that'd be over. I don't think that's anything. Yeah, that'd be like here-ish. Which doesn't quite work. I can also try looking at it from maybe up here, which isn't quite dead on. But also doesn't quite work. Can the handrail be it? Handrail. You have a point. It could have something to do with that. I guess how would the handrail connect to it? It'd have to connect somewhere over here. Or just at the very... Somehow it's to connect here though, because the end is there. Also, I'm going to grab something, otherwise I'm going to start biting my nail, which I've never really bit my nails to be fair. But when thinking, I need something to fiddle with. Even if it's just a pen. Yeah. Whenever I'm playing games like this, I just need to fiddle. Because when playing games normally, I'm fine. Because I have my one hand on the keyboard and one on the mouse. But when it's like this, and I'm staying in one spot for a bit, I need something to fiddle with. I don't know if this is it. Question is it one of those ones where I come back? Where I go and come back now? Perhaps the shadow rail connects to it somehow? It might. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I don't think it would connect down here at all. Which I also don't really see how many more we have over that way. Okay, well if it's this one, then it goes up, across, down, and then something like that. So how would that work? That's if it's one of those ones. Go to the furnace door again, and look away from the door. I can do that and look away from the door like that. What do you mean on the other side? See that step in the rocks on the right? You mean there? More right? These ones? I think they do have some... Or to do that, you'd have to go up there and look at it, I think. I think you might be right. I have to go up here real quick. I think it would be up here. Be able to see up the wall? No, it would be across. Oh, it wouldn't be up here. It would be over a bit. No, I think it might have to be from down there. I don't think up here quite works. There's a hole in the wall up here too. Maybe you have to look through the gap in the building. Oh, do you mean that building or in the gap there? Yeah, I keep seeing that one. Yeah, that gap. Okay. I mean, from here you can't quite see through it. I can see through it if I go over that way, though. I guess we can quickly try that. Yeah, I don't know if there is. No, he's standing inside the building, looking out the gap. Oh, I can try that. But I don't know if that's an actual gap in the building. I think it's just a gap between the wood, or sorry, the stone and this. But I can try going in there and seeing if there's a gap. So we gotta go up there, so that means I gotta go over here. No, I don't think you can even see through that thingy. And then the gap where that other thing was, is there somewhere. Which I don't think would really work. Hmm. I guess the question is also, where do I start from with this one? I'll be back, game. I will be back. So there's also apparently some in this direction. Which they could honestly be anywhere with all these trees. Maybe in the gaps in the trees. No. Wait. Is that a coincidence that this is here? I think not. Oh. Well, hello. Huh. That's kind of cool. Not what I was looking for. But cool. Pretty lady. Yeah. That's not what I expected. When I saw this, I thought puzzle. But I guess not. You watching it? Yeah, I guess she's been watching me play this game. She would have been watching me when I was doing these puzzles too. Or this puzzle. Hey lady, can I ask you a question? Do you know where some environmental puzzles are? Please. It would be very much appreciated if you could let me know where one is. And maybe she's pointing towards one, so she's saying it's over this way. I think she may have sent me in the wrong direction. I ain't seeing a puzzle this way. Then again, it wasn't really a pointing hand. It was more of just I'm resting my hand on my leg. I can go... There's one over in this direction. And then the rest, well, the rest are over that way. Give me a quick second. I just need to quickly go over to here. Over to here. And maybe possibly up here. I need to be able to peek over. I don't think that is one. It's not being seen as one. Actually, was there one up here? I'm trying to think. To do with that? No, that's when I found out. This is when I found out about this one down here. If there's a puzzle here, it's a puzzle on the path. Okay. I'll quickly investigate the path. Oh yeah, right. There was one here that I couldn't figure out. Yeah, now I remember. Because I even tried sending this. Actually, I think I could probably do like... that. And it would stay here, maybe, possibly. Yeah, but then it makes it too big. Is the thing. But then I can do the thing where it's like... that. Do I get it at any point? Yes. There we go. Okay. Oops. There we go. And send it back over to the very edge. Go to the top of the cliff now. Nice. Yeah. Easy. Easy peasy. Top of the cliff. So do you mean up on here? Like that one like a pro? Yeah, I'm getting better at the game. I mean, sure it was an easy one. And it wasn't actually that hard. But... You know... No, you got it. Oh, Cliff was for that one. Okay. Yeah, I guess we can head back over this way. Which... somewhere along here. There could be a puzzle. Who knows where? How many puzzles have I done today? I've done 6 puzzles. Not too bad. Not too bad. Which reminds me, there's still some puzzles over here that I gotta do. Which I have had no luck with either. Go back a bit. Yes. The flowers look like a puzzle. Flowers. Noted. These ones? They do sort of look like a puzzle, to be fair. They are a puzzle. Genius, Devil Hunter. Oh, that's to the one over there. Well, if that's a puzzle, that one's a puzzle. Then that means these ones could possibly be a puzzle. Oh god. Not the one I meant, but nice. Stand towards corner of... Which one? Which one? I mean, I found one. Which one were you talking about? Oh, you meant the white flowers. Oh. Do you mean these ones? On this side or the white ones on this side? Or over there? One's on the right. God. If I walk... So these ones. Oh, because there's right and then there's right. Okay, these ones. Noted. You lined up with the ones in from the tree. No, the other ones. These ones, then. Surely. Those also look good. Stand towards the corner of the castle. Okay. Corner of the castle time. Let's stand over here. Oh, there's also... No, they wouldn't line up with that, because that's... thing on itself. Well, that honestly there just looks like a question mark in itself. I don't think they would have one be that short, would they? If I wanted it to line up, I'd have to move back more. But don't think that would work. Anyway, line them up a bit as you walk along the path. Okay, let me try walking along the path again. Or where I came along. That does look like one with its left, the question mark one. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the one that you said lined up a little bit here. I mean, the ones that really line up are here. But, question mark 1. Would walking this way make it? No. It will always be a question mark. Maybe go to the top of the castle for those. True. I can look at it from up there, so let's try that. Oh, maybe I was meant to stand up there for that one. Maybe. Possibly. But I guess it would give me a good use for finally going up here. Who murdered him? Who killed him? Anyway. Man died? Yeah, I don't know what happened over there, but someone killed someone. Sadly, I don't think over here lines up. It's a llama. You can't tell me that's not a llama, or is it alpaca? Llama. It's a llama. I said llama. You found the nuclear blast, baby. Aha! So that's what happened. It used to be a baby, and then a nuke went off. I guess it's been a while since it's gone off, since the greenery's all grown back, but. Huh. Are you gonna tell me this used to be a baby as well? And you're gonna tell me this used to be a person? I don't think there's any other things. Wait, that's the lady thingy. It can be whatever you want it to be. True. Whatever I see in my head is what it can be. But yeah, I want to know, can anyone even tell the difference between a llama and an alpaca? Because I feel like you can't tell the go back to the lady, looking in a different direction. Okay, let me try looking at it from a different way. On the floor. I mean, I do see a circle there. Yes. Are you telling me you can tell the difference between a llama and an alpaca? Otter. Turn around. Is that part of the thing? Or is it just part? I don't know. Alpacas have poofier hair. Huh. Maybe, actually, no, yeah, maybe it was alpacas at that. Now that I think about it, we have a show thing that goes on, and people bring like animal, you know, like alpacas, cows, pigs, stuff like that. I think it was alpacas there, because I think they were raiding the alpacas. The floor light looked like one down that hall. Down the hall somewhere. Floor light. Also, I want to know what this is. Looks like it would have been tipped down. I'm gonna say this used to be molten lava, and I'm gonna tip it on people as they came in. I don't think that's what it is, but I'll go with it. Anyway, the light in one of these down here somewhere. I guess we'll figure that one out at some point. Which reminds me, there's also still one in this place that I need to do. Which I'll do at some point. Any puzzle as I walk backwards? No. That got really dirty. I think that was always like that. I just don't think I ever paid attention to it. Wait a second. No. I don't think that's going to line up with the other one, because I can't even see the other one. Walking backwards through there was so cool. Yeah, I feel like walking backwards through dark areas sometimes is pretty cool. Because you get to sort of see it, I guess, go lighter or brighter to darker. Vice versa. Yeah, all I have left here is one puzzle in the boat and 2 puzzles there, and then 1 puzzle in there, and then this one is done. So I have 2 obelisks that are close to done. The one in the desert and the one here. Which the one here I have not even seen anything else apart from the one puzzle here in this treehouse looking place. But there's got to be something somewhere. Sure. Oh. Hmm. It's done. I don't think there's any more down. Or maybe there is. Who truly knows? Also, another I'm going to investigate. What is it saying I don't know what that is saying It's something wearing glasses. Don't move. Please. I did nothing wrong. What do you see? Look left. Oh. Do you think there's something here? Lines up with the tree. Oh, you mean along here, maybe? Maybe if I look at it from up here? I think it may be something. I swear I saw a circle there. Maybe? Or maybe I'm just seeing things. Never mind. Maybe I'm just seeing things. It's like sort of a circle. I guess I should also look at the shape that it makes. Which also, that is the shape of a person if you go over to here. Which actually, let me quickly... do that. That. No. No. Yeah, so we'll do that. That. You know anything about how to do this one again? I really can't remember how to do this one, my god. Okay, I don't think this is it. Remember, I do cover that. And I do somehow cover them. I mean, if I do it this way, I can do that. I need to remember how I got to the end. No, then those don't match up. So we do that. Yeah, I can't remember. Anyway, that just turns into a lady of some sorts. I don't know how I forget all of these puzzles. Also, is there a reason this is like this? A reason there's an opening here? Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. This game makes me doubt everything. This game's giving me trust issues. The lights looked like a line. Thought that opening back on the floor. Back in what area? I'm just gonna quickly check this real quick. Okay. The one is a few straight lines. We said is that an opening? Okay. So straight line and then two weird looking, not as straight lines. Okay, so back. Okay, back over. Back over this way then. So here somewhere. There's also nothing here. It does sort of look like one. I see what you mean. I don't know if it is, but it does look like one. Huh. There's one down there that I've already done. Is that moss in the water there too? There. I think that's just a reflection. I'm pretty sure. And those are the clouds. I don't think there's moss in the water. Oh, over there. It was back a bit. Oh, do you mean this? I don't think that's a thing, but it does look like a thing. That I've already looked at. Yeah, down here. I think it's just... I don't know. I think it's just the water is a murky... It's just murky here. But yeah, it definitely does look mossy. Oh, does Frango go around a bit? Yeah, I mean, the best I can do is... Actually, I can go up here a little bit. I don't think it's on that side. Try another corner. Yeah, I can look at it from here. I don't think there's... I'm looking at it from up there, actually. Never mind, I can't. I lied. How do we get up here? I don't think you can get up there. There's nothing high enough. No, you can't. But yeah, you can see where it ends. Yeah, sadly, I don't think this is a thing. Which that kind of sucks. That goes all the way around, but that's just the edge of where it's green. Guess there's always up here we can look from. Now there's a question, is there a reason for this? Why so many open areas, game? Tell me. Why do you have so many open areas? No. I don't know why I think tilting my head up is going down. I just noticed I was going like this. I don't think that would help me at all, believe it or not. Also, the boat goes over that way a bit and then comes back in. Put this line up. Or if I get it to turn around. So where are we? We are up there. Okay, so if we're up there and we want it to go somewhere else, we'd have to set it like that. Yeah. No. No, quick. Quick. No. 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 Go back. Go back. Go back. I will seek you. Does that link up? Did it link up at any point? I don't know if it did. Looks right, it did. Okay. So I just gotta set it right at some point. Now quick, just go. Connect. Somewhere. You know what this means, boat? I'm not letting you go. Maybe it needs to come from that direction. Maybe I need to get it on the way back? Oh. Or I could just do that. I guess that works too. But now I need it. Huh? Oops. Around, boys turning left and right. Oh, it is. It is turning. That's why I couldn't link it up. Or could link it up before, but now I can't. I was wondering what was going on. Nice find. Yeah, I mean, I've known about this for a while. It's just I didn't know how to connect it at all. Now the question is, can I do this with other boys? Or is it just this one? Also, don't know. Oh no, I am over enough. Never mind. I'm all good. Yeah, I've known about the thing on the front of the boat for a bit. I just never knew where to use it. Now, question is, how many other boys can I do this with? Or is it just this one? Like, how many matches does this boat have that you can do? Okay, well, there's one. Now I have two more for this area, which one of them is on the boat. Or from the thing to the boat. I Actually, is it on the boat? Really double check. Let me do thing. Let me do inspection. Yeah, there's one more now. And yeah, these two are on the edge like that, in that way. I guess we could go have a look. I forget, Carrot. Did you play Outer Wilds? I haven't played Outer Wilds. But I do want to at some point. Let's go boat. Okay, we'll take a boat ride. I'm going on a trip in my favorite. I don't know how to make it work for a boat. Def do? Okay. I'll make sure I do at some point. Because yeah, I have got on my wish list. Which, like I said, my wish list is a mess. My second favorite game, and first game I streamed. Oh, so your most favorite game is Sekiro. Because I think I remember you mentioning it was Sekiro, 100% best. So I should go for 100% if I play Outer Wilds then. Yeah, I probably should also set up a GG thing. Oh, Dark Souls. That's fair. Because yeah, my Steam wishlist is an absolute mess. Because I use it as a games I want to stream, games I want to do videos on, or games I want to play for myself. So my Steam wishlist has like 300 games or something like that. Let me actually just quickly double check if I can see it on my phone. Actually, no, I can check on my... Let me just quickly alt tab. Store. Yeah, I don't think I can see it from here. I cannot, no. I got this Twitch given emote, which is great for my GG viewers. Oh, okay, so that's like an emote you have set up for your thing. That seems like a very good emote to have. Oops, why did I leave my store? Yeah, oh. My wish list has 397 games. That's more than I thought. It's my only emote right now. It's a sample emote from Twitch. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Because like I got Alice Madness Returns, Lego Batman, because I figured why not play Lego Batman sometime. Fallout 3, Fallout New Vegas, Lego Star Wars, because I figured why not play through some of the Lego games sometime. Assassin's Creed, Batman Arkham Asylum, Assassin's Creed, Crysis, Wolfenstein, Assassin's Creed, Hitman, Tomb Raider, Dishonored, The Walking Dead, Doom 3, a few more Batman games, Lone Survivor, Deadlight, Dark Souls, Devil May Cry, Resident Evil, Castlevania, etc, etc. A lot of games. Anyway, back to Witness, where we get to go on our boat ride, which will go around like that. I have Lego Avengers, scared there'll be microtransactions. Surely there wouldn't be microtransactions in a Lego Avengers game. Because how much is it before the thing? Isn't it already a decent amount? I feel like I shouldn't be able to put microtransactions in a Lego game. The green moss looks sus. Oh, I've already done a giant loop with this green moss. Like it went all the way over there and it went all the way around the boat to the, like over to there. On your right. Where? Where? We're going back. We go back this way. Where was it? What have stream delay on? Oh, that one, yeah. I shouldn't have stream delay on unless it's been turned on. I shouldn't have stream delay. Because I have stream delay turned off. So it shouldn't be too delayed. I'll have to check. Maybe my settings have been changed. And then this one I've already done. Yeah. This goes all the way around. That almost looks like one. And then this looks like one. Because it's like there, then through there, but it doesn't lead to anything. Yeah, this is the giant one. It goes there and then it goes all the way around to the back of the boat and stuff. And then this you had to use the boat to get from there to here. Well, I've passed it now, but yeah, that was the giant long one. Was there? Turn around. I think I've... Is that the one that you... The stream delay again? Or was there actually one back there? Well, I mean, we're at this one anyway, so we're gonna have to turn around. And head back. No, the one you said wasn't one is one. Huh! Let's investigate! Okay, I'll set it to go slower as well. We'll set it to... Also, I don't know if I've shown this when you've been here, Devil Hunter, but I swear that's a giant octopus and no one can tell me otherwise. Anyway, let me set it to a speed of 3. Just a little bit slower. Connects to a piece of metal in the water. Interesting. Actually, would that one maybe connect to here if I was up there? You passed it? Oh no. Where? Where? Do you mean over this? Will you say turn around? I think it's a thing. Okay. Breeze! I look at the rusty boat. I mean, when you say the rusty boat, all I think is... I mean, there's this one. Oh, does it go down? The circle you said was nothing. Okay, you need to move forward a bit. Okay, I've set it to a speed of 1. Is this... forward toward the boat? Okay. We need to go this... Nope, stop! Need to go this way. And again, I'll set it to a speed of... Well, I guess it's technically speed of 2. But this one is just not moving. Okay. Time to get a little bit closer. Bit by bit. Just pass the first metal there and stop the boat. Okay, pass the first bit of metal, so that will be here. Go to here. And stop. Oh, I think I need to... No. Do I need to go forward a little bit more? I do see it. I think I need to go forward a little bit more. Beautiful. Step back a step. Okay. No, stop, game. Yeah, I think I need to go forward a little bit. So just inch it forward. Stop. No, stop, game. Okay, forward. Inch a bit more. It connects to the metal in the water. Oh, so is it meant to connect to that? Okay. If it connects to that, then we are gonna have to move back a little bit. Which, no. No. Slow down. Oh. Now I just turn around. Too far. Stop turning around like that. God, this is gonna be finicky. Yeah, then goes down into the water. Okay. Set it to a speed of 1. And stop. I guess it connects to the back of this, and then they're saying it finishes there. And move a little bit more. And then stop. Thing is, it needs to be the same color as that. But that side's too dark and that side's too bright. Or a little bit more. And stop. Okay. Go down. Go down. Go down. Okay. I think I went a bit too far now. In the back? Okay, we can try that. There? No. Back right of the boat. Starboard side. You think I know what starboard and... No, I can't I know there's the other one. Starboard and port? What if? Port side. Okay. But what if? Wait for this big if. It connects to the metal right next to you on the right. Right next to me on the right. So you mean this one? See the white on the tip there? White on the tip. That part there? What do you mean? That one. Okay. Well, in that case, we have to move back a bit. So you gotta move back. Lower. I guess how do you get that to hit the top of it though? Because you have to be like that and then closer. I mean, I could always look at what to do with it since we've found it. But then again, I could do that with the others. And I've chosen not to. It goes on the other side too. Just jump to both metals. I have an idea. And now I just wait until it lines up. Because it'll have to line up at some point, right? Because if it's meant to line up with something, it should hopefully line up. Right? Right? Maybe? Go down. Down. Down! It doesn't. It's not going down. No! It didn't go down. Okay. Beep. 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 Now, I'm assuming that was meant to go down onto the pipe. Hopefully. Maybe do the same, but go around the boat somewhere. Yeah, we'll stop it here. Because I don't... Going around the boat, I don't know if that would... Actually, maybe... No. Because having the end there is what connects it here. I mean, we can try. So that means I need to quickly back it up. Oops, wrong way. I need to back it up so I can at least get the shape. And then try again, maybe getting a bit closer. Okay, there we go. That should be enough. Now we'll go this way. And if that doesn't work, then we'll try the inside. Actually, no, set it to 3. Okay, so it connects. And then as we get closer, it will open up. Okay. So far, so good. Oh my god, you're a genius, Devil Hunter. It does go through here. And then through here, and there's the end. Maybe outside the boat, not in? No, you're right, it was on the inside. And now we zoom zoom. And now, the only one that is left for this place is in the castle there. And then that will be one more thingy done. Oh my god, I didn't notice it was already 7:25. I've already gone 25 minutes overtime. And again, going overtime isn't that bad. I probably should have dinner soon though. Which I guess I'll go for another like 15 minutes. I'll go to like 7:40. And I should probably think about having dinner. So let's go into the castle and have a look around and see what I can do. I want to take a quick look inside the castle, and if you can't find it, definitely get some food. Yeah, I'll spend at least a good like 15 minutes having a quick look inside the castle, and if I can't see anything, then I'll go get some food, and I'll probably be back tomorrow, because I mean I don't have any plans tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, so yeah, no plans for tomorrow. You're from Queensland, right? I'm not. No, I'm from SA. Because I mean, it's weird because sometimes it depends on daylight savings, because half the year we're ahead of Queensland, half the year we're behind. It gets confusing, and then same with other places. Because it depends if you do daylight savings or not. Say, because you're 30 minutes, yeah, 30 minutes behind, and yeah. Because do you do daylight savings? Oh, you're in Sydney, I see. We do, yeah. Yeah, so that means for you and me to stay about the same throughout the year. Yeah, the first puzzle that I did was here, and I just had to go all the way around, which I'm honestly surprised I found this. Which I guess it is kind of obvious. Yeah. It's so fun. Yeah. Now I'm wondering how I didn't see that before, because you go right to here, which means you gloss past it. Which, I mean, I guess I wasn't looking at that. But yeah, you come down this way, and I guess you sort of go near it. So I guess it sort of helps you in the aspect of looking down that way. But hey, I got it. I can't complain. You're so excited. You didn't think of it? Yeah, I guess I was excited that I found that one, that I didn't notice this one. But now, if I look in here, we're at 99. I need to quickly inspect. I think I'm missing one. Did that not count toward... That one might have counted towards over there. I think. Maybe. That, or I missed... Oh, wait. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Right, because they didn't get 2 towards this thing, so there's still 1 here left. And then once we do this one, then this will be 100, and that'll be a +2. So, still gonna do that one. Yeah, still 1 in the treehouse. I'll get you, treehouse, which I guess I'm gonna quickly show you what I'm actually working towards. Because once you get those done, the obelisks done, they turn white, and then you get another plus. So this game has normal puzzles, then they have the plus puzzles, and then there's plus plus. But the plus plus is just you getting the plus puzzles done, if that makes sense. Because you can probably see it. Yeah, there it is. Once you get it done, it looks like that. Yeah, so basically, once I get all the plus plus puzzles done... No, once I get all the plus puzzles done, then all the plus plus puzzles will be done. And that's everything. Apart from audio files, but... Audio files don't count to 100%. Apparently. And I don't know if I want to look around that much to get audio files, but I guess... My plan for tomorrow will be finish this obelisk, maybe do over there. You can look them up. Hide and seek for 100% sucks. Yeah, it does. I mean, there is an area... I'll quickly show you before I end. Yeah, there is an area that does show you where they are. So I can use that. But it's extra work. But no, I'll quickly show you. Because down here, you can see the flowers. The flowers that aren't bloomed show you where audio files are. So like, that would be over there. And these would be near the... so this one would be... Well, that one and that one would be near the... Well, this is the shipwreck. So this would be near, like, the swamp area, I think. I play through games best I can, but like when you need to find 100 things and there isn't a sound indication or location, nope, I'll look it up. I see. Is that light the mountain? So these are these things. They're the lasers. And I think the mountain is around here, because I think that is meant to be the statue over there, even though it's doesn't have, even though it's holding one of these, which it's flickering. Why is it flickering? Huh, interesting. What's a fountain? Oh, these things? These are the obelisks, actually. So that's the white obelisk that we've done. This is the one in the town over there, I think. This is the one we're working on or we were working on. And then there's another there and there. Yeah, to my knowledge, that's how this works, but yeah. And I think that's about everything it shows you. It shows you where the audio files are, and then these, which I can't remember what these are. But they're something. Yeah, so I could try and do these, but I'm not sure if I'm going to worry too much about it. Yeah, I'm usually the same. I try my best to 100% games. Because at the moment, I'm going through my Steam library that I already own, and seeing what games I can actually 100% that I haven't already, you know, done videos, or no, that I have already like streamed or done videos on, or just am not gonna do streams or videos on. Because at the moment, I think I got HuniePop. I can't remember why, but I'm going through that to try and see how much of that I can get done. I recently went through Cluster Truck. What else did I recently go through? Trying to think. I think those are the only real two that I've gone through recently. HuniePop? Yeah, I think I was gonna do videos on it, and then I decided I'm not gonna do videos on it. So now I'm just going through it to see how much I can, or what percentage I can get of the achievements. Which I usually aim for 75 to 100% on most games. There's a Spicy H game I want to play on stream, because I played it as a teen. I think there is a filter, some show any spicy stuff. Okay, well that's good then. I guess it's good to have that in games where you can still show it, I guess. Which, no, actually, no. I was gonna say, I think I'm good with, you would be okay with HuniePop, but no. No, the last photo you get, and before the last photo you get, you can definitely not show. Then again, I did go through The Witcher, and there are photos. But it's still not as bad. I don't know. I'll definitely change scenes if Spice Scene comes up. Yeah. Definitely a good idea to do that. But yeah. HuniePop is definitely not a game I would stream. But yeah, I think at the moment... Actually, let me check. Because I'm going to probably play more tonight. Because... I don't know. I've been in a thing recently. Trying to just see how much of my games I can get done. So far I have... Where is it? Scroll down a little bit more. Where are my achievements, game? Yeah, so far I've 25%ed it. So I have like another 15 or so achievements to go, and then I can say that I'm done. Which I'm surprised I've got none of the trading cards for this game. Unless I sold them. Maybe I sold them. Twitch has a site for which games can't be played on stream. The game I want to play isn't on it. I mean, you get the free pass, then you have PSN. What is PSN? Devil Hunter. So what is this? Oh, someone's gone through and they've gotten every single fact about every single person. Free pass. Exactly. PSN is PlayStation. Oh, I don't have a PlayStation. No. All I have is I have a my consoles, I guess you would say, is I have my PC, my computer, I have a Wii from when I had that, and Xbox 360. All of my consoles. Then I was gonna look at your profile. Yeah, I mean, I have my Steam, which I won't hold you up any longer. Do go get some food. I probably should. I will quickly share my screen real quick, because I can show you what I have done. Like on your GG profile. Yeah, I guess I'll have to set that up. Which let me quickly... Where is it? Display capture. Let me quickly turn my game capture off. And if we go over to Steam, average game completion is 33. Working on that. I've got 5 perfect games, which the one that took the longest is definitely SteamWorld Dig, because I had to basically speed run SteamWorld Dig, which I found out my run would have been in the top 10, which, I mean, there's only like 11 runs, but hey, top 10 is top 10, so, you know, I want to play the Mayo game. Yeah, I found it and I thought, hey, that looks good. And then I know it also has My Name is Mayo 2, and there's also My Name is Mayo 3. But yeah, and then there's Poop in My Soup, which someone gifted me this, which it's not too hard to get all the things for that. I also tried doing SteamWorld Dig 2. I think I would have to play for hours upon hours to get SteamWorld Dig 2 to 100%. I'm not good enough to do that. It took me long enough to just get the achievements I already have on SteamWorld Dig 2. I'll DM you on Steam, and your and see we go on there. Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you want to message me on Discord, because I joined your Discord channel the other day. So yeah, if you want to message me on Discord and stuff, I can do that. But yeah, I guess I should probably end the stream and go eat food, because food sounds really good right now. But before I do that, I guess, is there anyone online to raid? Let's do a quick check. Over to Twitch. Doesn't seem like there is anyone. Is there anyone that you would like me to raid, Devil Hunter? Just want to check something. Okay, all good. Yeah, the only person online at the moment is Brody, but he is already a big streamer. I might just end stream here. So yeah. Ugh. Don't really have anyone? Okay, all good. Well, I guess I'll just end the stream here then. Yeah, I hope you did enjoy the stream, whether you're here from the start, halfway through, or just joined. And I guess if you did enjoy, please do think about following. And yeah, I hope everyone enjoys their night, morning, afternoon, or day. Ha! I'm starting to remember all 4 of them. Finally. Thanks for the chats, dude. Yeah, and thank you for popping around, Devil Hunter, and thank you for the help with some of the puzzles. So, yeah, I hope to see you in the next stream. See ya, and enjoy your night. I don't know why. Should I not say that before I say bye? Anyway, I'll see you in the next stream. See ya.